everyone, welcome back on Thriving with PKU. Today I'm going to be sharing some Trader Joe's low protein finds that my Instagram followers told me about, and I decided they're too good not to share. So first of all, the vegan jackfruit cakes. These are sort of like crab cakes for PKU people, and I thought they were really good. The spicy Thai eggplant with Thai basil. This was really good too. Eggplant is kind of like, an acquired taste maybe. I think for me it's more the texture, but I actually did like the flavor of this one, and it is very low in protein. The carrot spirals, these are pretty cool and something that you could make yourself. I have a spiralizer that you can stick zucchini in or carrots and basically use them as pasta noodles that are lower in protein. And for me, on the simplified diet, carrots are free. So another good find. And then here in the front, the vegetable masala burger. I liked this one too. This was really easy for Sweet Mr. Hines, my carnivore, to make his hamburger, and then I made this. So it was very cool. That might be something cool that you could take like to a barbecue if you're going to one and you know that you're not probably going to have something that you could eat there. So don't forget to check in the description box below for the protein amounts for all of these cool Trader Joe's finds. And I'll see you all next Tuesday on Thriving with PKU.